Welcome to a Tech Skill YouTube channel, and in this particular video we'll talk about interacting with AWS. So which means AWS is the one of the cloud service platform. Over there it can have plenty of AWS services. So those services we can use in a three different ways, and you can interact with AWS in a three different ways. And the first one is AWS Management Console. Second one is AWS Command Line Interface, and third one is AWS SDKs. So here the first AWS Management Console, it's a simply a page of a website of AWS, and we can log into your account, and you can use the service by handy. But when it comes to the AWS CLI, there you have to go for install that the CLI, and so we can integrate with your AWS CLI to your AWS account. And in the same ways, like AWS SDKs, there we can use various programming languages. So with the help of those programming languages, we can we can connect with your AWS account, and we can use the services through programming. So that's about the intro part of this particular video, and for practical example we'll see the next video. Thank you.